Good morning everyone, I'm Saffie. Namaste. Now it's time to get my body warm up and get my heart open to attract more love and attract more compressions and kindness.
Sounds great.
Good morning everyone, I'm Saffie. I'm a yoga teacher, fitness trainer, nutrition coach, and a full-time model. And this morning I would like to share Heart Chakra Opening yoga series with you. We'll start with a simple warm-up stretches with our spine. It's called Camel Pose. So you start with tabletop. Make sure your palms, your hands is right below your shoulders and your knee is right below your hips. So slowly inhale, raise your head to the sky, and as you exhale, curl yourself with your spine facing to the sky. Drop your head. We'll repeat a few more times. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly come to child pose. Sit yourself to your heel. One deep long breath. Elongate your spine as you stretch your fingers to the top. And exhale, press yourself up and come down to the floor. Slowly come up. Open your heart. Rest your head to the back. And exhale, come back down. One more time, inhale. Open your heart and exhale. Drop yourself back down. Now this time we're going to come up to cobra pose. So press yourself against the floor with your palm fully engaged. Inhale. Open your heart. And exhale. Release your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. One more time. Inhale. Rotate your shoulder back and open your heart. And exhale, relax your shoulders, come all the way down. One more time, inhale. Press yourself up, rotate your shoulder back and open your chest. And exhale, relax your shoulders, slowly come down. Now press yourself, as you tuck your toe, press yourself up. And slowly we'll come down to puppy pose. Now slowly, exhale, walk yourself up. Inhale and exhale, walk yourself up until your elbow is on the floor and slowly lie yourself down on the floor as you slide yourself to the front until your chin is on the floor. Lift your butt lock to the sky as you look up to the front. Feel the stretch all along your spine. Slowly inhale and exhale. See if you can walk your finger a little bit further to the front. You can feel the stretch all along your spine as you open your scapula and open your heart. Slowly inhale and exhale. So you can extend a little bit more. Keep your butt locked to the sky. Slowly inhale. The next inhale. Slowly bring your hands back to underneath your shoulder and press yourself up. And slowly come down to child pose. Rest your head and deep breath for 3 long, full inhalations and exhalations. And then slowly slide yourself back to puppy pose. Stay in here for 2 more breaths. One more breath. And slowly walk yourself up. Bring your hand together and come up to tabletop. Slowly press yourself up. And then we will come down to Camel Pose. Now have your hands just behind your back. Give yourself the support. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Slowly back bend to the back. Wait till you feel balanced and strong and you find that you have the support from your spine, and then you slowly drop your head. Slowly inhale, exhale, slowly drop your head. You can stay here as long as you're comfortable. If you are feeling strong enough, bring your hands to your ankle. Slowly inhale as you open your heart up, and exhale. Relax your head and your shoulder. Keep opening your heart as you bring your chest up to the sky. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. 2 more breaths. Keep your head up. Keep your chest up. Slowly inhale and exhale. Now one by hand, one with your hands supporting your back. Slowly inhale and come all the way up. And slowly exhale. Sit yourself down and come all the way down to Child Pose. Keep your big toes touching each other and slightly open your knee to give yourself more room to sink down. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. 1 more breath. Now slowly come up. Put your hand underneath your body. Slowly inhale, and as you exhale, slowly one by one elbow, 2 elbow, all the way to the floor, and point your toe to the front. Slowly inhale, and as you exhale, drop your head to your back. See if you can reach your head to the floor. Inhale, raise your chest to the sky, open your heart as you attract more love. Feel the love all around you. Keep slowly breathing. Inhale and exhale. 1 more breath. 1 more deep long breath. Inhale, open your chest. And exhale. Slowly release. 1 more time. Inhale. Bring your chest up to the sky as you expand your lung. Fill the lung with positive love energy. And as you exhale, slowly release your head, lie on the floor with your hands next to your body. Slowly come to Shavasana. Focus on your breathing. Return yourself into natural breathing. And keep remembering the first intention that you set to yourself. Remember all the love is around you. Tell yourself that you are willing to open yourself to attract more love and to be loved and receive love. Slowly release yourself. Relax yourself in here as long as you need. Give yourself a big hug and tell yourself you love yourself. Love you. I love you. Now slowly inhale, roll yourself up, and exhale. Come back to sitting pose. It was such a lovely Heart Chakra opening session with you. I hope you can feel abundance of love. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to anyone that could benefit from this video. Also, don't forget to comment on below